Okay, hi everyone. So today we are going to do exercises for unit 5 and 6. Tapi sikit je exercise ni. Okay, so let's look at the first exercise, vocabulary A. Circle the odd ones out. Okay, kita dah pernah buat tau exercise like this. For example, number 1 ni kan, referee, plumber dengan builder. Okay, referee ni orang yang jadi hakim di padang macam tu. Okay, macam orang main bola, dia referee. Okay, dia yang tiup-tiup whistle tu. Okay, plumber ni orang yang repair pipe kat rumah, kat bangunan. Builder ni orang yang bina-bina bangunan tu. Okay, so antara 3, referee, plumber and builder ni, mana satu yang pelik? Maksudnya antara 3 ni mana satu yang macam tak ngam lah dalam group ni? Macam tu, okay? So you have to circle the odd ones out. Okay, kalau macam number 1 ni mana satu yang pelik? Okay, tukang buat rumah, bangunan, tukang repair pipe, rumah atau bangunan, ataupun referee. Mestilah referee kan? So you have to circle the referee. So sama juga for number 2 until number 8. Alright. And then exercise B. Okay. Exercise B. Complete the sentences with these words: do, get, go, hold, make, move, play, take. Okay, so perkataan in yellow boxes ni adalah the answers. So you have to fill in the blanks. For example, number 1, Louise has to blank the bus to school every morning. So to apa? To do, to get, to go. So you have to choose mana satu yang sesuai. Okay. Next, C. Okay, exercise C. Choose the correct answers. Most houses in Europe are made of apa? Brick, steel, bamboo. Batu bata, besi, buluh. Mana satu? So you have to pilih mana satu yang sesuai. And then, okay, B. Okay, B. Just grammar ni leave out dulu. Kita akan buat next time, okay? Okay, B ni. Match the first part of the sentences 1 to 6 with the second part A to F. Okay, so sekarang ni, ini pun korang dah pernah juga buat kan? Maksudnya, number 1 until number 6 ni, padankan dengan A sampai F. Okay, so for example, would you try doing an extreme sport? Okay, lepas tu cari dia punya padanan kat sini. Mana satu? Okay, so supaya ayat tu jadi satu ayat yang complete. Sebab sekarang ni ayat ni tak complete, tengok tiada noktah. So kamu kena cari ayat di sini supaya dia jadi ayat yang siap, ayat yang dah siap. Okay? Okay. Alright. Okay, so that is all. So sekarang ni teacher ulang balik mana yang korang kena buat. Okay, first you have to do page 81. Okay, page 81. Okay, exercise A, exercise B, exercise C, and then page 82, exercise B, and that's all. Alright, so nanti in the next lesson teacher akan share the answers. Okay everyone, thank you, bye.